Welcome back. In this video lecture, we will talk about what is Bubsuit. So Bubsuit is Java-based web penetration testing framework which is mostly used by security professionals in order to identify attacks vectors or in order to find out various security flaws in web application. So this is how Bubs looks like. Let's talk about Bubsuit features. One of the most important feature of Bubsuit is interception proxy tool. So why it is called and as interception proxy tool. You will come to know in next lectures. So one good news is that Bubsuit is available for all operating system Mac OS, Linux OS and Windows OS. So now we know that what is Bubsuit. It's actually a security framework where we can do security testing of various web applications. There are some features of Bubsuit like we can use Bubsuit in order to do interception proxy, in order to do automatic security scan. We can actually manipulate HTTP and HTTPS requests. Even we can use Bubsuit for good forcing various credentials. We can use it in order to make it a sitemap of website or in order to crawl a website spider. Bub have different tabs and all of them have different functionality. Let's say you can see over here that there is a proxy tab which is used for intercepting a proxy. Here is a spider tab which is used for crawling the website. You can see over here scanner tab which actually do automatic security testing of various web application and make a report of it. Then you can see intruder tab which is used for brute forcing or just by doing any password authentication attacks. Then repeater tab which is used in order to send multiple HTTP and HTTPS requests. And then we can check out that what kind of response is given by out of this server. So you can see over here there is one more tab called decoder which we can use in order to do some crypto stuff, like you have one string and you want to convert it. Let's say you found one string and that might be a session ID but that is encrypted. You can actually send that request to decoder and there you can just perform some crypto stuff so that you can identify the what kind of string that is. Last, you can see over here there are some tabs like comparer. In this we can compare two responses results and so on. Thanks for watching this video lecture. Have a nice day. See you in the next class. Welcome to our video lecture. Before going to start, first see what is Bubsuit Web Application Scanner. Bubsuit is a graphical tool for testing web application security. The tool is written in Java and developed by Portsvigger Security. Bubsuit is the most widely adopted tool in the web security testing market, and 35,000 plus individuals use and trust Bubsuit software, and it is widely used in 120 countries worldwide. Anyone can start using the core features of Bubsuit to test the security of their applications. Some of Bub's more advanced features will take further learning and experience to master. Bub's user-driven workflow is by far the most effective way to perform web security testing, and will take you way beyond the capabilities of any conventional point and click scanner. Bub is initiative and user-friendly, and best way to start learning is by doing. The Bubsuit tool has two versions. One is free version that can be downloaded free of charge like free edition, and another one is full version that can be purchased after a trial period. It's called professional edition. The free version has significantly reduced functionalities. It was developed to provide a comprehensive solution for web application security checks. In addition to basic functionality such as proxy server, scanner, intruder, the tool also contains more advanced options such as spider, a repeater, decoder, a comparer, an extender, and a sequencer. I am very excited to teach Bubsuit tools and top 10 vulnerabilities. That's it in this introduction of Bubsuit. Thank you for watching and see you in next class. Welcome again. We will see how to define in-scope targets using the Bubsuit proxy. When performing a penetration test, it is important to be sure that your attacks are only targeting intended systems. Attacks performed against unintended targets can result in legal liability. To minimize this risk, it is important to define your scope within Bubsuit. In this lecture, we will discuss how to define web application target with Bubsuit. Getting started with Bubsuit to perform web application analysis against a target. You will need to have a remote system running one or more web applications. In this example, an instance of Metasploit 2 is used to perform this task. Metasploit table has several pre-installed vulnerable web applications running on TCP port 80. In the lab setup section, I have explained how to installing Metasploit 2 in virtual machine. Your web browser will need to be configured to pass web traffic to a local instance of Bubsuit. Let's perform web application analysis using the Bubsuit. Just open Bubsuit. The leftmost tab in Bubsuit interface is the target. There are two tabs below this target tab called Sitemap and Scope. The Sitemap tab will automatically populated as content is accessed via the proxy web browser. And the Scope tab allows the user to configure sites and site content to be either included or excluded from the scope. To add new site to the scope of assessment, click on the Add button. Under the Include in Scope table, adding in-scope content can be as general as a range of IP addresses or as specific as an individual file. The protocol option has a drop-down menu that includes values of any HTTP or HTTPS. The host of IP range field can include a single host name, single IP, or range of IP addresses. So type Metasploit 2 IP address. Additionally, text fields exists for both port and file. Fields can be left blank to limit the specificity of the scope. Fields should be populated using regular expressions. In this lecture, the caret opens each of the regular expressions, the $ closes them, and the backslashes are used to escape the special meaning of the periods in the IP address. If you want to learn regular expressions, many resources are openly available on the internet to explain their use. You can refer regular expressions info website. I mean the regular-expressions.info. The conclusion is regular expressions logically define the conditions whereby a given host, port, or file may be considered in scope. Defining the scope of the assessment in Bubsuit affects the way it operates when interacting with web content. The Bubsuit configurations will define what actions can and cannot be performed on objects that are in or out of the defined scope. Okay, that's all about defining web application target with Bubsuit. Thank you for watching and see you in next class.